Hi, I'm Krista.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
And we're Farmhouse Rose Co. And today's DIY is a Dollar Tree Farmhouse Christmas winter hat. Today we're going to tell you about the supplies that we used, and then we're going to let you watch and see how it all came together. The supplies that we used includes a round MDF ornament from Dollar Tree, one of their galvanized buckets, one of their microfiber towels, a buffalo check scarf, and some other embellishments that you'll see as we go along. We also used some black chalk paint, some foam board, some floral picks from Joann's, and some ribbon from Walmart. We began by painting the backside of our sign with ink by Waverly. Once our sign dried, we flipped it over to the printed side and glued the buffalo check scarf onto the sign. We flipped our sign back over to the painted side and used our rotary cutter to cut the scarf to the size of the sign. Now we're going to wrap the rest of the scarf around the metal bucket that we got from Dollar Tree and glue it into place. There will be extra fabric on the top of the bucket, so you want to fold that in and glue it into place to give the hat a more finished look. And we're going to flip the bucket over and trim off any excess fabric. Now we're going to flip the bucket over onto a piece of foam board and trace around it and cut the circle out with an X-Acto knife. We're going to glue a piece of scarf onto the foam circle. And cut it to size using a rotary cutter. Now we're going to glue our foam circle onto the bucket. And then we'll glue the top and bottom of the hat together. Now we're going to take a metal sled from Dollar Tree and paint the sides of it with red chalk paint. We're going to use a microfiber towel to create the ribbon for his hat. We'll begin by cutting a thin strip and gluing it onto itself. Now we're going to glue the ribbon where the top and the bottom of the hat meet. Now we're going to glue our sled into place. Now we're going to glue a bottle brush tree into the sled. And then we just glued 2 deer in front of the sleigh. And then we used white and gold twine to attach the deers to the sleigh. Now we're going to add some floral picks under the sleigh and the deer. And then we added floral picks, berries, and pine cones to the top of the hat. And then we created a 8-loop bow with dovetails and glued it to the top of the hat. Remember to have fun with it. We just kept adding florals and mini pine cones and things to the hat until we got our desired look. This DIY turned out so beautiful. It's amazing what you can create with Dollar Tree items.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed coming along with us today as we created this beautiful winter hat.
If you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you for your support.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Every subscriber, comment, and like helps our channel to grow and for YouTube to notice us a little bit more. We hope that everyone has a happy and safe Thanksgiving.
Talk to you guys next time.
Bye for now.